Usually, I want to ask you who wants to lead our prayer. Okay, who wants? Oh,
Miss, just now you say girls.
okay, now girls' turn. Okay, girls, show your face. Okay, I see. Yang belum pernah. Jasmine already, Princess already, Moria already kan? Si Jecha, how about Jecha? Udah pernah? No chat ya?
Iya.
Ya, so today Jecha ya, Jecha turns ya. Okay, but first let's see ya, another friends. Teman-teman yang lain udah ready nggak untuk berdoa?
Miss,
Putra, Miss, because Chester already.
Miss,
Oh, Chester already in ya.
nanti kalau siap
Siap apa, Princess?
doa, ayo.
Oke. Nanti ya siap berdoa ya. Oke, I think we can start ya. Nanti si Putra nyusul aja ya, because now is 8:05, 8:05. Oke, Jecha, please lead the prayer.
Let's pray together. Dear God, thank you for today. We are going to study. Bless our study. Give us healthy and mind. Thank you, God. Amen.
Amen. Okay, thank you, Jecha. So,
Jecha, pray so fast.
Same like
Jecha udah cepat dia udah terbiasa berdoa. Good, okay. Now it means next meeting boys ya, giliran para laki-laki yang ganteng-ganteng ya.
Kalau Jumat, Miss, Jumat boy.
Friday is boys ya, Jumat boys ya. Okay kids, have you seen our PDF learning of today?
Yes, Miss.
Oke.
Miss, tapi videonya nggak bisa dibuka.
Masa nggak bisa? Coba, yang lain bisa.
Nggak bisa, Miss.
Jasmine sit can. Mungkin ini kali jaringan si Princess yang belum bagus.
Miss, jaringan Princess bagus, Miss. Karena di rumah Princess ada
Wifi. Oke, sebentar ya. Oke, have you prepared your book, your textbook, your notebook, kids, and also pen and pencil? Okay, now we can start ya. But first, I want to show you a brain gym, okay? Because this is the morning, the first session. I want to be active ya. Jangan lemas-lemas. Ya kan, Rafael? Okay, now please follow ya kids ya this video ya. Please follow. Okay, now we
Rafael selalu buat status di WhatsApp, Miss.
Apa itu? Status di WhatsApp? Nggak apa-apa lah kalau buat status di WhatsApp. Okay. Oh guys, for your information, Kayla is sick ya. Okay, so get lesson ya Kayla ya.
Kayla sih.
Okay, now please follow this instruction ya kids ya. We have brain gym. Okay. Okay. Now all of you, show your finger please. Show your finger. Okay. And then please follow. Okay. Okay, done. How was the game?
Tuh kawan abang Cites tuh.
Yang kayak gini.
All of you can do it, kids, like this, one by one your finger. Is it difficult or easy for you?
Easy, Miss.
Easy? Okay. How about this? Easy?
I cannot, Miss.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. That's our brain gym. Okay, so now how do you feel? Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, harus semangat ya. Okay, now please see this share screen ya, my share screen. Okay, what are we going to learn today, kids?
Fraction.
Yes, today we are going to learn fraction. Oh wait, first ya, stop share.
Why, Miss?
I can see you. Okay, now I can. Today we are going to learn about fraction. Have you ever heard about fraction? Sebelumnya pernah dengar nggak kata fraction, or in bahasa we say pecahan? Pernah dengar nggak fraction?
Pernah pecahan.
Yes, Miss. I'm glad to already learn about that.
Oh, okay, cool. So in grade 2, you already learned about fraction. So, Miss want to ask you, ini ya, apakah, do you remember about what is fraction? In grade 2, what your teacher say about fraction? Apa ya fractionnya kemarin kata Miss itu ya?
Pecahan.
Iya, pecahan. Artinya gimana itu? Siapa yang ingat?
Kebagian.
Oke, pembagian. Oke, Miss tampung. Anyone else? Ada lagi yang lain? What do you remember about fraction? Okay, so Miss continue ya. Okay, this is it. Okay, welcome back to multiplication. Apapun pelajaran kita harus ingat multiplication. Okay, so now I have three question in here. I want to call your name and answer ya. Coba diingat-ingat dulu. 9 times 9. Okay, and then 8 times 7.
Miss, I know, Miss.
Okay, and the last 7
times 6.
Okay, now I want to ask First, boys. Okay, I want to ask Manchester. Number 1. 9 times 9.
81, Miss.
Okay, good job. Yes. 9 times 9, 81. Now I want girls. Okay. I want Maria. 8 times 7 is
56.
okay. 8 times 7 is 56. Good job. Thank you, Maria. And the last is I want boys again. Wait, yeah, I want
Miss.
Restu. Restu, can you hear Miss Jesse? Yeah. Please answer 7 times 6.
42, Miss.
7 times 6 is 42. Yes, good job. Thank you. Okay, it means you already remember, yeah, about about multiplication. Sorry. Okay. Now we can continue, yeah. So before we enter to the fraction, I want to know about equal and non-equal part. Nah, what is it, Miss? Oke. Kalau misalnya kalian dengar equal, artinya sama dengan, kan? Nah, so in here, equal sama, part, bagian, artinya bagian yang sama. So, if you can see this picture, this is a rectangle atau persegi panjang. In whole part, artinya satu persegi panjang, utuh dia. Oke, and then Miss Jesse cut. Miss Jesse potong itu rectangle itu persegi warna kuning ini. And then Miss Jesse have two, 1 and 2 part. Artinya Miss Jesse punya 2 bagian. But see, yang satu ini yang kiri sama dengan kanan, sama nggak ukurannya? Is it same? Oke, please. Yang tahu bisa diambil sendiri ya, Nak, ya. Kira-kira ukuran yang kiri sama yang kanan, kalau kalian lihat sama nggak besarnya, Nak?
No.
Miss.
No? Are you sure?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Ya, ini ukurannya sama, Nak. Sebelah kiri ini dengan sebelah kanan ini sama ukurannya. Oke? Kalau dipotong dibagi 2, di tengah-tengah dia dipotong, berarti sama dia, kan? So, kalau sama ukurannya, if have the same size, we call it as equal part. Artinya sama, bagian yang sama. Oke, now, how about this? Yang terakhir, yang nomor ketiga ini, Nak. Yang tadi, yang persegi yang tadi, persegi yang ini, we cut, tapi nggak pas di tengah-tengah, Miss potong. Miss potong di ujung-ujungnya, and then we got yang ini, hasilnya yang ini. So, I want to ask you, sama nggak ukuran yang sebelah kiri dan di sebelah kanan ini?
No.
Miss.
No, ya, because in here big, ya kan? Di sini big, yang di sini small. Nah, karena dia ukuran yang nggak sama, we call it unequal, artinya tidak sama. So, equal sama, kalau unequal artinya tidak sama. Oke, can you get it, kids? Can you get it? If you have any question, please ask ya. Coba, sekarang Miss tanya dulu si Raditya. Raditya, we have in here warna green ya, the green color. And then Miss Jesse cut di tengah-tengah. Nah, hasilnya yang ini Raditya. Nah, jadi gambar yang di kiri sama gambar yang di kanan sama nggak ukurannya? Oke, same ya. So, because same, we call it as equal part. Artinya bagian yang sama. Oke. Now, I want to ask Rafael. Rafael, Miss Jesse cut again. Yang whole part ini, Miss Jesse cut. Tapi nggak pas di tengah, Miss Jesse cut. Miss Jesse cut di bagian sedikit ini, paling ujung. And then, I get this. Akhirnya, Miss Jesse dapat 2 bagian ini. This is equal part or not? Di unmute ya, Rafael.
No.
Equal.
Equal? Are you sure equal?
No, I say not equal.
Oh yes, not equal or unequal. Okay, so I think most of you already know ya, yang mana yang equal part sama yang non-equal or unequal parts. Okay, so after that, now I want to ask you again. Tadi kan Miss JC potong yang segitiga tadi di tengah-tengah, and then Miss JC have two bagian kan, ada satu dan dua bagian, so I call it two equal parts. Okay, how about this? This is equal parts or not? Miss JC bagi 4 ternyata ini kan, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. Ini 4 ini equal nggak dia? Sama nggak ukurannya?
Sama.
Nah, karena dia sama, Miss JC bilangnya 4 equal parts. Artinya 4 bagian yang sama. Okay? Now, I want to ask Moria. Moria, I have circle atau lingkaran in here. Okay? And then I cut it. Nah, so I want to ask you, wait ya. Nah, I want to ask you, ukuran cutnya ini sama nggak? Sama atau enggak ukuran yang ini kan seperti pizza ya? Ukuran masing-masing ini same ya? Ya, same. It is same. So, how many parts in here? Berapa bagian di sini, Nak? Coba misalnya Chester. Chester, how many parts in here? Can you count?
Miss.
8 ya. Wait. Kok udah lanjut nih? Wait ya, kids. So 8 ya, ada 8 ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nah, karena tadi kata si Moria, have the same size, it means there are 8 equal part. Artinya ada 8 bagian yang sama. Nah, now I want to ask Giselle. Giselle, I have in here rectangle ya, persegi warna orange. How many parts in here, Giselle? Berapa banyak, Nak, ukuran potongannya? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ya. So I want to ask Giselle again. Is it the same size or not? Masing-masing ukuran persegi ini sama nggak, Nak? No ya. So because not the same size, we call it as ada 4, ada 4 bagian yang tidak sama. 4 not equal part. Okay? I think you must understand ya, kids ya. Okay. Now we continue ya. So Miss, apa hubungannya yang bagi-bagi tadi, Miss, yang equal sama unequal dengan fraction, Miss? Nah, before Miss JC answer, okay, in here there is a, wait. What is it, kids? Gambar apa ini?
Pizza.
Ya, who love pizza in here? Siapa yang udah pernah makan pizza dan suka?
Novi.
Miss.
Okay.
I ever eat pizza that made by my mother at home.
By your mother? Wow. Okay, good ya. So in here, yes, this is a pizza. I love pizza. Everyone love pizza. Okay. Now I have, how many pizza in here I have?
2.
Yes. So I have 2 pizza ya. 1 and 2. And then after that, the 1 pizza, this is 1 pizza kan, kids? This is a whole 1 pizza. And then Miss JC cut, Miss JC mau bagi sama Falcon class. Okay, and then I divide. Miss potong, I cut into 4. Miss potong tengah-tengahnya dari atas sampai bawah dan dari kiri sampai ke kanan. From the left to the right and from up to down. Okay? So, and then Miss Jessie get here. Udah Miss Jessie potong ini kan? Nah, so Miss Jessie want to ask, how many pizza I have? How many parts? Yeah. I have 4 parts. But don't forget, 4 tadi itu nah, asalnya dari sini, dari 1 bagian.
Wow.
Okay, so awalnya in the beginning I have 1 whole pizza and then I divide it into 4 parts. Jangan lupa bilang partnya, karena kalau 4 berarti 4 pizza, padahal kan tadi awalnya 1 pizza, bukan 4 pizza. Okay, so you have to say 4
Nanti. Capek.
4 part
Bisa
ya.
jalan sampai capek. Tangan Pak buat ini. Dia bisa.
Okay, and then we continue ya. After that, after Miss Jessie cut, and then I want to ask, Miss Jessie after cut, Miss Jessie take 1. Tadi kan there are 4 ya, and then Miss Jessie kelaparan. Aduh, lapar kali lah Miss Jessie ini. Miss Jessie eat lah 1. So Miss Jessie eats 1 part. So the question, how many parts were taken? Berapa bagian yang Miss Jessie ambil? Bukan 1. Don't forget to say 1 dari 4 bagian. 1 part out of 4 part. Jadi harus lengkap dia nak ya, jangan bilang 1. Kalau 1 kan pizzanya 1 besar. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian bilang 1 bagian, artinya tadi udah dipotong-potong jadi beberapa bagian kan? Okay, so you can see, we can say 1 part out of 4 parts. So ini kan nampak ini bolong 1 kan? So Miss Jessie take 1 part out of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part. Nah, kids, we can say, we can write as like this. This is a fraction, kids. So, yang Miss Jessie ambil bukan 1 ternyata, but 1/4. Okay, in math we say 1/4. Okay, ada tulisannya kan 4 kan 4 kan, ditambah TH di belakang, 4. So, cara bacanya ini gimana, Miss? 1/4. Jadi yang Miss Jessie ambil bukan 1, tetapi 1 dari 4. Or in English we say 1/4. Okay? Any question? Ada yang bingung?
No, Miss.
Okay, masih bisa diikuti ya, nak ya. And then I want to ask you again, after I cut 1, after I ate 1, Miss Jessie ate 1, how many parts are left? Berapa lagi yang sisa ya?
3.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3. But remember, karena ini pecahan, we say 3 dari 4 bagian. We say 3 parts out of 4 parts. Tadi kan sisanya 3. 3 dari berapa? 3 dari 4. So, we can write as 3 and 4. Bacanya 3/4. Yes. Tadi kalau 1 dari 4, 1/4. Kalau 3 dari 4, 3/4. Okay? Can you get it?
Can, Miss.
Can, Miss.
Good. Now I want to you to read this ya. So the conclusion apa, Miss? Jadi kesimpulannya apa, Miss? 1/4 and 3/4 are some examples of fractions. Nah, jadi 1/4 kalau bahasa kita sebut 1/4 dan 3/4 itu adalah pecahan. Oke? Okay? Nah, di sini Miss tulis tadi cara membacanya 1/4, 3/4. Oke? Okay? Nah, sekarang Miss mau kita menulis ya. Coba diambil dulu buku catatannya. please open your notebook. And then please write this. Miss mau kalian menulis yang ini. In your notebook now.
Miss, I have a side exercise.
Ya, kenapa Princess?
In notebook, right?
Yes, in notebook. Write in your notebook.
Miss,
Ya.
only write 1/4 and 3/4, right, Miss?
Iya, cuma ini aja dulu sebelum kita masuk ke berikutnya. So I give you 1 minute ya, 1 menit cukup lah, kan dikit kok. All of you ya, Rafael, Putra, semua nulis ya nak ya. Jeca, Manchester, Wilbert.
Nulisnya di mana, Miss?
In your notebook, di buku catatan. Brandon, please write down in your notebook ya.
Miss, write yang 1/4 and 3/4 ya.
Ya, 1/4 dan 3/4 R sampai habis, sampai ini, sampai bawah ya. Okay, already done, not chat.
Miss, already finished.
Okay, Nadia already finished, good job. Yang lain gimana nak? How about others?
Finish, Miss.
Okay, and then who will follow?
Finish, Miss.
Okay, good job. Good job, Restu. How about others?
It's already, Miss.
Oh, Jecha already. Good.
Miss, I already finished.
Okay, good job. How about others? Yang lain?
Miss, ini tanggal 3 ya, Miss?
Yes. Now is 3 Februari 2021. 2021. Ada yang ulang tahun hari ini?
No, Miss.
Oh ya.
Only my brother in Maret, Miss.
Oh, now is February, berarti next month ya kalau Maret ya.
But my mommy birth after that my little brother. Miss,
Oh ya.
Putra birthday Juli.
Oh, Julai ya. Putra birthday Julai. Oh, masih lama lagi Putra.
I will ya lebih lama, Miss. November.
Birthday October.
Oke, ada yang Oktober,
Miss.
ada.
Finish, Miss.
Oke, Rafael finish. Oke, good job.
But Nadia November, Miss.
Wih, lama lagi lah ya. Kamu berapa bulan lagi?
November, Miss.
Wilbert kapan, Wilbert?
24 November.
Wih, sama. Berarti November also ya. Same with Nadia ya.
Miss, my auntie and my grandma same the month with me November too.
Oke. The month ya. Bulannya sama ya.
May 26.
Oke, ada Mei juga. Oke. Already, kids?
Miss, Novin Oktober tanggal 15 nih.
Iya, Oktober ya. Masih lama lagi ya. Oke, be patient till your birthday ya, kids ya. I want to ask, already done to write down this?
Already, Miss.
Okay, already. So, we can continue ya. Nah, kids, for your information ya, kids ya. This week, we have a math project, right? Math project. And I will explain that project this Friday. Nah, Miss akan menjelaskan projectnya hari Jumat. But Miss kasih clue-nya, project kita itu about fraction and division. So that's why I teach you this fraction. Nanti fractionnya membuat seperti ini, nak. So make sure pay attention ya kids ya to this fraction. Okay?
Yes.
Now this is, look at this picture. Ada di sini Miss buat fraction, and then ada di sini model. Okay? Nah, fraction tadi kan dia yang pakai gini kan, nak? Yang pakai gini kan, kids per 1 per 2, or we in English we say like, in bahasa we say 1 per 2 atau setengah. But we say it half. Artinya setengah, a half. Oke, artinya apa ini kids? Oke, you can see ya. We take 1 yang paling atas, kita ambil 1 dari berapa nak? Dari yang di bawahnya 2. So we take 1 out of 2. Oke. Nah, so kalau misalnya Miss Jesse bilang gambar modelnya dari fraction 1 of 2, it means warnai, please color the model accordingly to the fraction. Kalau di sini Miss Jesse buat 1, berarti artinya you have to shade it, you have to color 1. 1 dari how many kotak, how many square? There is 2. Ada 2 kotak di sini kan, nak? So yang diwarnai itu 1 dari 2 kotak. Berarti kamu cukup mewarnai 1 kotak aja. You have to shade it 1 color only, 1 square only. Oke, any question? Bisa dimengerti nak arti dari fraction dan model ini? Can you get it? Oh, Miss belum ada mendengar suara, berarti masih bingung ya. Now, sekarang kita coba lihat yang ini, yang 2, 3. 2 per 3. Nah, kalau ada fraction dibuat di sini anak 2 per 3 or 2, 3. Nah, artinya we have to color 2 out of 3. Artinya kita mengambil 2 bagian dari totalnya berapa nak? Yang di bawahnya totalnya 3. So it means we color 2 color, ini 2 kotak dari 3 kotak. So now we have 3 kotak. And then because we have 2 out of 3, artinya kita warnai 2 kotak dari 3 kotak. Nah, kenapa ini 2 diwarnai? Karena yang diminta 2. Dari berapa kotak, nak? Dari 3 kotak. Oke. Do you understand or still confused? Please let me know. Masih bingung, Miss? Masih bingung?
No, Miss.
Okay. Also like this ya. If I give you, please draw the model of 3/4. Misalnya Miss Jason nanti kasih projectnya, buat model dari 3/4. Nah, artinya apa? First, you draw how many kotak? Berapa kotak yang mau dibuat? Berapa jumlah kotaknya? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you have to draw 4 a square first ya, rectangle ini. Udah? And then yang diwarnai berapa, Miss? Karena di atas dibuat 3, it means you color 3 kotak. 1, 2, dan 3. Oke? Now I want to try ya. Nah, sekarang Miss mau coba dulu. Coba one by one ya. I will call your name and then we discuss together ya. Sekarang Miss JC mau menggambar. Kalau Miss JC bilang 1/4, artinya apa yang mau kita gambar, nak? How many kotak yang mau kita gambar?
1.
Okay, in the beginning, I mean in the beginning. Kalau misalnya 1 kan yang mau diwarnai. Tapi kalau mau membuat kotaknya berapa kotak?
4.
Yes. Now we have 4 square. But make sure 4 itu ukurannya harus sama, nah equal part. Nah, so karena Miss Jessie disuruh buat model dari 1/4, now we have to draw the square ya. Wait, kenapa square Miss Jessie kurang cantik? Oke, be patient ya.
Miss, kotaknya kurang cantik.
Iya, kotaknya kurang cantik ya. Tideng, sulap. Sulap bukan sihir. Oke, and then how many square? 4 ya. So,
Miss.
I make like this ya. Wait. Okay, done. So now I have 4 square, okay? And then karena kita mau buat model 1/4, 1 dari 4, it means how many colors? How many square that we want to color?
1.
1 ya. What color do you want? I want to make green ya. So, wait.
Maybe blue, Miss.
I want blue. Blue.
So, okay. Coba ya, into table.
Why, Miss?
Aduh, jadi ini dia ya, jadi apa? Nah, for example, inilah ya nak ya, Miss warnai lah ini ya, 1 dari 4. Oke, tunggu ya, Miss hapus dulu ya. It's not...
Jelek, Miss.
Iya, tunggu ya.
Oke.
Now, Miss Jessie ulang ya. So, it means I have to draw 4 square ya. Nggak apa-apa lah jelek ya nak ya. Nanti kalau kamu buat seperti ini harus rapi ya nak ya. And then, karena kita diminta 4, already 4 ya, 4. And then, 1-nya itu artinya we color 1 square ya kids ya.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so now I have to color 1 square. Nah,
Pink.
so after this, it means we already done to make the model of 1/4. Okay, so ini artinya sudah selesai. Is it finished or done? Okay, now I want to ask one of you ya. Miss mau tanya dulu coba si siapa? Who wants to try? Okay, Chester. Chester, please draw the models of 3/4. Artinya gimana nih, Chester? How many square that we have to draw?
3/4.
Ya, 3/4 kan? Nah, kalau mau menggambar modelnya, how to draw the model? First, we have to draw how many square?
Miss, want to go classroom?
Yeah, yes, you can go. Chester, how many square?
4.
4 ya. So, first, make sure, ini kan yang di bawah ini kan 3/4, artinya ada 4 bagian. So, now you have to draw 4 squares. Okay, and then Chester, how many square that we shaded atau berapa kotak yang kita warnai?
3.
Yes. So now we shade 3 color, 3 kotak. 1, 2, and 3. Nah, after that already done. Jadi kita sudah selesai. Okay? So this is the fraction. Jadi ini namanya fraction. And this is the models. Nanti kalau misalnya math project, kamu akan membuat seperti ini. Okay? Now I want another ya. Miss pengen Juan. Juan, please draw 2 trees. Okay, 2/3, 2/3. So how to make the model, Juan? How many square that we draw?
3, Miss.
3. Okay, good job. 3 ya. So 1, 2, 3. So now I have 3 ya. 1, 2, 3. Artinya yang di bawah ini sudah selesai kita gambar. Good job. And then how many square that we shade? Berapa warna yang mau kita, berapa kotak yang mau kita warnai?
2, Miss.
Yes, 2 ya. So I want black. Okay. So it means we have to shade 2 square. 1 square, and then 2 square. Okay, good job. So really means we already done. Okay, good job. Nah, Miss mau gantian lagi. Who wants to try? Siapa yang mau coba lagi?
No.
Ada yang mau coba?
No.
No?
Yes. No.
Janganlah, no. Harus latihan lah kita. Coba
Novin.
ya, oke, Novin ya. Novin, please draw the model of 3 out of 5. 3/5. Artinya gimana, Novin? How many square that we draw? 5. Yes, we have to draw 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ya. Okay, we already draw 5 square. And then what next, Novin? Color, how many square? 3. Yes. So, and then we shade atau kita warnai, we color 3 square. 1 square, 2 square, and 3 square. Okay, good job. It means we finish, yeah, we done. Okay, now I want to change. Kalau ini kan kita after we make fraction and then we draw. How about kalau misalnya kita buat gambar dulu and then we ask you how the fraction. Misalkan ini ya, Miss JC draw this.
Nadia one like that, Miss.
Oke ya. Nah, coba who wants to try? Please say fraction of this. Misalnya Miss warnai gini.
Miss, Nadia one, Miss.
Okay, now please Nadia. So if I draw the model like this, it means the fraction is?
The fraction is 3/5. Yeah.
Yes. Artinya 3/5. Okay, good job. Now I want boys. Okay, Wilbert. Here Miss JC Wilbert. Now if I draw like this, okay, wait ya. Misalnya Miss JC gambar yang lebih besar. But like this. Okay, and then Miss JC draw, Miss JC color like this. And then the fraction is, ini modelnya, so the fraction is berapa per berapa?
2/2.
Okay, 2 per how many square?
2, Miss.
2.
Ya, yang diwarnai 2. Dari berapa kotak, Wilbert? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya, so it means 2/4. Oke, artinya di sini 2 yang diwarnai 1, 2 parts of 4. Karena kan semuanya yang diwarnai atau tidak diwarnai jumlahnya berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good job. Now I want to ask Rafael ya. Now Rafael, if Miss JC draw like this ya. And then Miss JC coloring. For example, I have green color. And then I draw like this. Okay, so from the model, if we make fraction, what number is it?
3.
3 out of?
3 out of 4.
Okay, good job. 3 3 in here because we color 3 square, ya kan, 3 kotak. And then for di sini, karena total kotak yang diwarnai sama yang tidak diwarnai ada 4. Okay, so can you get it, kids, all of you? Is it easy for you?
Yes.
Sudah mengerti? Okay, now I want to ask Raditya. Raditya, Miss JC draw like this, ya kan? And then Miss JC make like this, okay? And then Miss JC color how many parts? 1 part lah. Just this, cuma ini yang Miss JC warnai. So if we have make fraction, it means 1 out of 4. Okay, good job, Raditya. Because 1 yang diwarnai 1, okay? And then 4 ini artinya total kotaknya 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good job, Raditya. Okay, kids, all of you understand? Please give thumbs up. Kalau sudah mengerti, boleh di give thumbs up. Okay, Putra already. How about others? Novin. How about Nadia? Rafael? Already understand? Okay, Nadia, good job.
Restu no chat me.
Oh, Restu no chat? Oh, Restu already too. Okay, Jaija already. Ada yang belum mengerti, nak? Please unmute and ask Miss JC now. Ada yang belum mengerti?
Miss mengerti, Miss.
Okay, understand ya. Okay, good job. Now I want to stop share. Wait ya. Stop share. Okay. Now kids, we already learned about ini ya, fraction and its model. Okay. Let's discuss textbook page 128. Nah, sebelum kita selesai, tolong buka bukunya halaman 125. All of you kids. 125. Already?
Already, Miss. Tapi berat.
Berat? It's okay ya. Now please, ya ini kan Miss Desi udah nampakin buku kalian. Can you see my screen? This is your book, okay?
Ya, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, yang dia already open.
Okay, good job. Now please fill this blank. Ini kan ada nomor 6 ya, number 6 ya in your book ya. Now we can read. The circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Nah, jadi circle ini dibagi menjadi 4 bagian yang sama. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So in here ada pertanyaannya, nak. Blank. Part out of the blank equal part is shaded. Jadi ditanya berapa bagian yang diwarnai, yang di shaded. Can you answer? How many parts in here? Berapa jawaban di sini, nak?
2.
Are you sure 2?
4.
Ya, artinya di sini, nak, yang nomor 6 ini, titik-titik bagian yang diwarnai dari titik-titik bagian. Artinya totalnya ada berapa? How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 kan? Nah, tapi yang ditanya berapa bagian yang diwarnai, nak? How many parts? Just 1 kan?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, so you can write on your book like this. 1 part out of the 4. Artinya 1 bagian dari 4 bagian yang diwarnai. Okay? Already do in your notebook. Udah ditulis di buku, nggak usah di buku catatan deh, langsung di buku pakainya aja. Already ditulis seperti ini, nak. Halaman 100. Oke. Ini apa ini? One of the circle is shaded. Jadi kalau misalnya kita buat fraction tadi, ini artinya berapa per berapa, nak? 1/4.
1/4.
Wah, so 1/4 of the circle is shaded. Artinya 1 bagian dari 4 bagian lingkaran ini yang di shaded atau di arsin. Okay, already done?
Already, Miss.
Okay, I think that's all ya. Miss Jessie can stop share ya. Okay, now I think that's all that we can learn of today. Next meeting, this Friday, I will explain your math project, yeah? Okay, that's all for today.
Okay.
If you don't have any question, we can end this meeting, yeah? But before that, please give your reaction as usually.
No pray.
Cheese, baby duck.
Okay, please give your reaction and then I will screenshot, yeah? 1, smile please. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Miss.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye. See you.
Miss. Bye-bye.
Sama adiknya bye-bye, Miss.
Adik Putra, bye-bye.
Putra, bye-bye.
Dadah, dadah, bye-bye Adik Putra.
Bye-bye, Miss. Adik Putra.
Bye-bye,
Kita
Kid.
selalu sama si Putra, Miss.
Oh iya ya. Bye-bye, Brandon. Bye-bye. You can leave ya, Giselle and Brandon. Please end this meeting.